Hi guys, it's Pom Tom here. Today we're going to be making broccoli and cheddar soup. This recipe is pretty simple and tastes really good, and you can easily make enough for everyone. I made it for my family on a Thursday, and they would just heat up a cup for lunch, and it lasted them throughout the weekend. Now we're going to get right into the ingredients, but if you want more quick and simple recipes, hit my logo at the bottom right to quickly subscribe. Alright, now for the ingredients. You will need 1 onion, a cup of chopped carrots, 1 head of broccoli, half a stick of butter, a teaspoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of paprika, half a cup of flour, 4 cups of vegetable stock, 3 cups of half and half, and 1.5 bags of shredded cheddar cheese. In the video, you will also see me make a bread bowl, and of course, if you choose to make one, then you're going to need to buy a bread bowl. It's very simple and easy, and you can get any size of choice and flavor. Now for the prep. First, get your vegetables prepared. You're going to need to dice up your onion, cut your carrots thinly if, like me, you didn't buy them already cut, and you're going to need to cut your head of broccoli to the size of choice. I left the florets a little thicker. That's just how I prefer my broccoli, but feel free to do however you like. Now add your half stick of butter to the pot as well as your diced onions. These will cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Now add your carrots and spices. This would be the minced garlic and the paprika. Then you can add your flour and begin to mix. We are creating a roux for those that want elegant cooking terminology. Now we can add our chicken stock and bring that up to a boil. When that's at a boil, you can add your broccoli and cook for 3 minutes. Then add your half and half and bring to a boil for an additional 2 minutes. Then we can turn the heat off and let cool for a few minutes before adding our cheese. This is important so the cheese mixes well. When adding the cheese, make sure to mix in very slowly like I'm doing here. Take the extra time to allow the cheese to fully melt and blend into the soup perfectly. When the cheese is fully mixed, season with salt and pepper, and then we can serve in our bread bowl or in your fanciest bowl you got. Now that you have tasty broccoli and cheddar soup, I highly recommend you move that cursor over to the bottom right corner and subscribe for more great recipes that you and your friends and family can try. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.